Hey Liz, how you doing? This is Marco Kino. I am Assistant and Automation Specialist at our company LEADZ, where we provide business owners like yourself the right system and automation to scale your business and take it to the next level. Now, every week we share tutorial videos to our clients and subscribers in giving them value and making sure that they are aware of the features and tools inside our all-in-one CRM. Now, for today's video, I'm going to show you another tutorial. And if you don't have any CRM yet, we offer a 30-day free trial so that you can test it out and also follow through the tutorial videos that we are creating so you can do it yourself and get results as soon as possible. Alright, so for today's tutorial video, we're going to talk about search engine optimization, or better known as SEO. Now, as an introduction, you can find some articles online about this so you can have a better understanding. But just an example, this is a blog from wordstream.com. You can read it at your own time. But to summarize it, SEO just means, like, for example, you go to Google and you want to search something. So you're going to use a keyword to search for that. So let's say I want to find business coach in USA, right? There are about 217 million results for business coaches in USA based on Google, but you can't see all of that results in one time. Now, in the first page, you can see here the top results, right? You have here different types of sites or articles or ratings and stuff. So these results at the top have the best SEO, right? So the reason why you want to optimize it for your funnels and website is because this is the result that you're looking for. Now, for example, you are a lead generation company and somebody goes to Google or YouTube or any social media, network, right? They type in lead generation in Florida. If you have a good SEO utilizing some keywords for your funnel and website, you have a higher chance that they can find you on the internet, right? Even if they don't necessarily know you yet. Now, if they can find you, then they have a chance to, know you. And then it gives you, a way to actually, have a better view or traction, because you're not only attracting people from your network but also outside of your network, so you're having higher chance that a stranger will find you online, if that makes sense. So that's an introduction about SEO. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can optimize your SEO specifically for your funnels and website in the CRM so you can maximize the result. So first thing is to log into your site, to your CRM, and then go to site. Now find your let's start with your main funnel or website. Now we're gonna optimize that. So I'm gonna use the Cold to Soap workshop as an example for this tutorial, but feel free to choose the best funnel that you wanna optimize your SEO. And from here you can edit this. Okay, let's say new tab. I'm going to show you some areas that you can, use or optimize your SEO. The first part is definitely the metadata, right? You can find that under settings and then SEO metadata. So from here, you can put the title of your website or funnel so that when they go to your site, it will show cold to sold. you know it's not just a random words. You can type in description. So the reason why you want a title and the description, because it will look like this, cold to sold. That's the title, and then this is the description that we put. So you can customize it based on what you want so that you have a better result or a branding for your website. Now, apart from those two, one of the most important part of this metadata are the keywords. Right in here, you can type multiple keywords that will support your website or funnel. Now, what I mean by that is that, for example, this is a cold result workshop, right? So think of some keywords that are, generally connected to the workshop page that you have. Like, for example, I am a stranger and I go to Google. I want to learn about business coaching, right? So I'm gonna type in a particular keyword for my own, research. So you, as a business owner, you want them to find you, right? So you need to predict the keywords that they are thinking and using to search for a particular topic. So, for example, your workshop like this one, this is a cold to soul workshop, and let's say this is about you know um, reigniting an email list. So the keywords is about email list, right? Or also this is about reactivation. Those type of keywords you want to have for your website and funnel, so that when somebody goes to Google and they type email list or reactivation, you have a higher chance that your website or funnel will be pulled up to the Google result, for example, because you have those keywords in your metadata. All right, so that's one of the things that you can do to optimize your SEO. Now, it's great that you are thinking about the keywords, but you can always predict it, because sometimes you need an artificial intelligence to have those keywords that are related to your research. Now this on this matter, I'm going to show you something, an AI tool that you can use to actually find the best keywords that you can include in your website. Now, this is also from wordstream.com. You can use their free tools. Particularly when you go here, you can find here free keyword tool. Now, this tool will allow you to find the most research or most searched keywords based on a specific topic. Now, for example, we want to have some keyword search regarding business coaching, right? So you can type here business coaching and then click on find my keywords. And from there, it will pull up some information. You can also do some filters here, but I would just leave it like all industries and US for now. It's an example. And then it will show you the most search keywords based on business on the keyword that you put. So I put here business coaching. So as usual, the business coaching is top one. Let's say, the monthly search volume is 14,800. And then Amazon coaching business action coach, those random keywords that people are using to find, or research about business coaching. Now you want all of these keywords inside of your metadata, right? So, you can copy and paste this, but it will take you a lot of time. So I advise you to sign up for free on wordstream.com. Then you can actually download all the keywords if you have an account. Now it's very easy to sign up. You can just put your email address here, and once you click on get my keywords, it will prompt you to create an account. You don't even have to create a password. You can use your Google, for example, to sign up, and then you can download the CSV file from there. And if you have the CSV file, you can open that and just copy the actual keywords, control C and then control V, or command C, command V if you have, a MacBook. And then from there, you can go back to, the metadata and actually paste all of those keywords inside. Now, once you're done with that, you can also put some information like the author, obviously you or the company name that you have, and then you can also put social image. Literally, typically we use logo. For example, this one I release logo. You can put that there as well. And once that's done, click on update metadata, and also make sure that once you do that, you're going to save the funnel um, builder as well. So that's the first area that you want to optimize your SEO. The other thing is the actual images, because not only on Google search, you can see here there's an image here as well, which can give you you know um, a way to be on top of the search as well. Now the way to do that is go back to your funnel and then make sure that you have an alt text or words in your photos or graphics in your funnel. So for example, this one is a photo of Vanessa and Isabel, right? So if you go to funnel, I mean to our funnel, how on earth, right, can Google find this, or get this photo in the search if you don't have any data or metadata about this, right? So what I mean is you have to put some legend on your photos or graphics. So I'm gonna click on this photo, and then on the image setting on the general, you can scroll down and find here alt text. So it shows here alt text for SEO. So you want to put some descriptions of this photo, like for example, photo of Isabel and Vanessa smiling, right? And then you can put here maybe business coaches, or photo of two business coaches smiling, like that. So when somebody goes to Google, for example, and they type in the same exact words, you have a higher chance that your photo will pull up in the search result as well. And from there, you know that you can also use the image search to actually go to the actual site. So in effect, they have a chance to visit the actual website as well. All right, so you can do this to all of the photos that you have. Like for example, this one, connect, convert, close. You can put here specific words, a very simple word like for example connect, or you can add some more alt text to have a higher chance of being searched using Google and other sites. From here, convert, close, and also even the logo, right? You can put here Ivy League's logo, because this is very important for compliance purpose as well. So there are people who can't you know access a website using their eyes, for example. So they have specific, instruments to actually um, browse a specific site. So there are technologies that when they, for example, move the cursor on the particular photo, it will read out loud regarding that photo. If you don't have an alt text, it will not, give them anything. So for example, I have here Ivory's logo and I'm using that technology. I, move my cursor here. My tool would say something like, this is an Ivy League's logo photo, something like that. So you have to make sure you have alt text for all the graphics as well, not only for SEO but also for compliance purpose. So for example, this one as well, you can put some quotation based on the photo. You can put the name of the person in the photo, so that for example, this is a client that we love, Alyssa, and when somebody search about her, if we have an alt text of her photo in our site, it will also show in the search results, if that makes sense. So those are the two areas that you can start focusing to actually optimize your SEO, so you have a better chance that you can be found on Google, YouTube, and some other sites in the internet. All right, I hope you learned something today. You can use this site, wordstream.com, for a free keyword tool. You can find some other tools, advanced tools on the internet. It's just a matter of researching. And if you have any other questions, we're always here to give you some information and clarity. So don't hesitate to reach us. All right. Hope you learned something today. See you on the next tutorial, and take care.